Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, the cryptocurrency markets, because now it's the weekend. I won't do the NASDAQ. And don't forget, check out MCRT, beta.magicraft.io. You can play. Many people are already winning MCRT every day. And it's one of the only projects where we've been growing, building strong during this bear market, which is beautiful. Do your own due diligence, not financial advice, consult your brokers, etc. Let's jump into the charts. Hit the subscribe button, join 78,000 people, smash that thumbs up button. Love you all. Don't get discouraged. A lot of people, and now I'm seeing a lot of fear, a lot of negativity in the market, a lot of discouragement. Now is not the time to get spooked out of the markets. Now is the way you can make actual money, where you can make millions, where you're buying the good projects, buying Bitcoin, buying stocks. That's what I'm doing. Again, do your own due diligence. But the time to sell was at 69K, where everyone wanted to buy. When the markets were so ecstatic, everyone wants Bitcoin, crypto, everything. They're like going all in stocks. That's when you need to be careful. That's when we got out on November 11th. Now when no one wants to buy, when there's a lot of panic, when there's a lot of anger, when everyone hates everyone, when everyone hates crypto, when everyone hates stocks, that's the time, in my opinion, to be buying. Hit the subscribe button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. And we're going to the market green slightly on Tesla. The rest of the market down or break even. BNB break even. DeFi break even. Bitcoin slightly even. Total market cap sitting at 801 billion. MCRT, Coinbase slightly down yesterday. Qualcomm. The market pretty much flat. Nasdaq and cryptos yesterday going into Christmas holidays. I'm still in the bigger time frame. When we zoom out, we can see this pattern is playing out. We have a descending triangle forming here on the longer term time frame. Going back, it started forming on the lunar crash back in May. So you can see we have descending triangle forming. It's building pressure. And if it gets a big strong bounce here, we can go break out of this descending triangle. Usually they break out to the upside towards 25K going into April 2023. So that run could actually start going into Christmas, November, December, January. And if we break out, that's a bullish pattern. And I do think that will actually play out in the shorter time frame. I do think descending triangles are usually a bullish pattern that play, and they usually break 70% of the move. So this distance here of the move, and it'll usually play out like this. Let's see if it does work out going towards 25K. Stochastic is heading up quite strong on the daily. On the weekly, very oversold, heading up. Monthly, the most oversold it's ever been. 4-hourly heading up. Let's go closer now and see what's going to happen in the shorter term time frame. So I'm seeing a big inverse head and shoulders here that's playing out. I'm seeing a giant cup and handle here, which is a bullish pattern. These are both bullish patterns. I'm seeing a W formation on the shorter time frame. That's a bullish pattern. That W formation, if it breaks out here, will take us to the base of the W. So this distance here. You can learn technical analysis with my 7,000 students in the crypto master course, taking us to 17,700. So expecting a short-term pump here on Bitcoin. Nice. Let's go in the hourly. Also oversold, also looking bullish. I'm going to go long here on Bitcoin. Opening long here. Stop loss. Is there going to be a pullback at all? Yesterday's trade was correct, by the way, or the day before's trade. I would open a long from here. Let's see, on the 15 minutes, will there be a pullback? Slight pull. No, it's going to break out. It looks like it's going to break out. I think Bitcoin is going to have a run here. So I'd go long here. Stop loss underneath the weekly support and the take profit at the target. Nice risk to reward ratio trade, everyone. 9.86. Remember, we take any trade that's over 3. Why? 3 risk to reward ratio trade. Because every dollar we risk, we can make $3 gain. What that means is we can lose two trades and make profit on just one trade. But with this 9.86 risk to reward ratio trade, we could lose 9 trades and make profit. So that's why the risk to reward ratio is very important. Never risking more than 2% of any of your capital. So on any one trade, never risking 2% of the capital. So what that means is, this is my trade, right? So on, for example, Bybit, where I do my trade would open a long on Bitcoin. It means going long. I'm expecting the move to be this direction. Going long, opening the trade at 17,182, stop loss at 17,100. So this is the stop loss. This is where the trade opens, and this is the take profit. So I'm risking, without leverage, risking $62 to make $617 without leverage. With 10x leverage, that'll be $6,170 of profits. With 100x leverage, that'll be $61,000 of profits. So that's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. Very low risk to reward. very high risk reward, 9.86. So risking 62 to make 617 without leverage, 10x, $6,170 of profits. You can trade if you want to trade the way you're seeing me do. Underneath this video, in the description of the video down below, you can sign up to Bybit. That's where I do my trading. It's the second biggest exchange after Binance. They have strong liquidity and a lot of volume on Bybit, on Bitcoin trading, Ethereum trading, using that link. So in the description, sign up. You get a 30,000 USDT bonus when you meet all the trading requirements. You can also buy an MCRT on Bybit. It's the second biggest exchange, and I do. But don't keep much funds on any centralized exchange. Learn about cold wallet storage. Learn about ledgers, learn about on-chain storage, and keep most of your funds secure on-chain, and then use exchanges for trading. I use Bybit for trading. So that's the trade I would open on Bitcoin using that link down below. Get that $30,000 bonus. And you can also, I've got trading Bitcoin and altcoin live tutorial, a step-by-step tutorial in the description where I show you how to open the trades, like step-by-step on Bybit. Also, you can live trade alerts. Join our Telegram. It's free. There's about 5,000 or 6,000 members on there that are all talking together. It's free. And take the Crypto Master course. You can learn technical trading. Let's go into Ethereum. So that's a trade on Bitcoin. That's the setup. I've been having the flu a little bit the last few days. Let's look at Ethereum, then total market cap of all crypto. So this is Ethereum. Ethereum getting a strong bounce from 1,256 on the 15 minutes. Let's go out a little bit on the weekly. So on the weekly, we've bounced off a strong trend line going back to the March 2020 COVID crash. You can see this is a very strong trend line on Ethereum. It went from a low on the March 2020 COVID crash of $94 all the way up to we went from $94 all the way up to $5,000, 4,900 something. That was the time to sell at 4,900 in my opinion. Now it's come back all the way back onto this trend line and bounced off this trend line. Look at that, bounce one time off that trend line before perfectly touching it. And that line was set back in 2000, like two touches back here in 2020 and July 2020. That gave us this trend line. And you can see it had that parabolic from $90 all the way to $4,000, almost $5,000. Then a big crash down to 1,200. Then a strong bounce back to, we had a strong bounce back to $2,000. Then a come back down and bouncing off again. Stochastic on the weekly oversold, on the monthly extremely oversold. On the daily, it's oversold on the 4 hourly. We've got that bounce off this red downtrend line. We've got similar patterns. We've got that inverse head and shoulders like on Bitcoin. We've got this W formation forming here. I would be going long on Ethereum, and we went long. Whoops. No, it didn't open the long from last video because it didn't actually hit. We got that bounce again off this red trend line, multiple. This downtrend line is the start of the bear market. So I'll show you this red trend line I drew back when we sold everything on November 11. I was the only trader in the world to call Bitcoin top exactly on the day, and I warned everyone multiple times to get out. You can see this red trend line when Ethereum was at 4,600 started the downtrend, and it's been trending, and now it broke above it. We broke above that downtrend line. So the downtrend line, in my opinion, is finished. Broke above and we're sitting above it. So I would go long on Ethereum here. W formation to the distance of the W. So target would be this distance here on Ethereum. 1,332. So that's the long I would take on Ethereum right now, opening a long. Stop loss just underneath the support. Take profit at the target. Risk reward 5.17. 5% profits without leverage, with 10x leverage, 50% profits, 100x leverage, 500% profits. That's the trade I would take on Ethereum going long as well. Let's look at the total market cap of all cryptos, sitting above 800 billion, a little bit of a recovery. Same pattern I'm seeing. Big inverse head and shoulders, like on Bitcoin, same exactly. Inverse head and shoulders. And W formation forming on total market cap. So we're going to have a Christmas run. Again, all your trading underneath the video, sign up to Bybit. Using that link, you get a $30,000 bonus for trading. You can buy MCRT on Bybit. That's the project I'm the founder of, Play to Earn game. You can also win MCRT. People are already playing the game. You can see here, and this is what's been going on. 44,000 people in our Telegram on MCRT, and you can see here, people just playing, minting NFTs, playing together, earning MCRT. They're playing and winning. regardless of the market conditions. MVP today, well played. He won 1000 MCRT. I'm winning 1000 MCRT this day. So people are winning and playing in crypto regardless of the markets. Sam and CZ still going at each other. This was a conversation that just happened yesterday. You won, CZ. There's no need to lie now about the buyout. We initiated conversation. So this is about Binance buying out FTX and Sam Bankman talking about Binance. And while I was frustrated with the negotiation, I still chose to do it. You threatened to walk at the last minute if we didn't kick in an extra 75 million. We did it anyway because this just made us feel more confident. We didn't want Binance on our cap table. So about Binance being bought out by FTX, Sam, not that Binance's position in FTX being bought out by FTX. Sam, not that it matters now. You also can't force us to sell if you don't want to. Also, we have the veto right to block any fundraising you were doing. Never used or mentioned. It was never a competition. Don't try to tell your friends to focus on us. Focus on yourself. So they're still internal fighting between these two that crashed the entire crypto markets. Sam Bankman-Fried and CZ, their spat destroying FTX, destroying the crypto markets together. Magicraft Genesis NFT collection now available on OpenSea. Thanks, bro. I learned many things from your video. So without skipping a second, I just finished watching. Thanks for the info. Thanks, GameX. Percentage of supply last 5 years. You can see that it's not moving. This is how much Bitcoin has been moving. You can see since 2020, more than 30% of the supply isn't moving anymore. Thanks for the update. I watch you first thing in the morning. Thank you very much. This is some of the Magicraft MCRT team working every day. We have full-time 2 team meetings per day, building everything that you're seeing. McDonald's, FTX, Solana. It's funny and painful and not so funny at the same time. Hey, James, thanks for all your awesome videos. Your charting is very helpful. Thank you, Brian. You deserve million subscribers. You're the best crypto trader. Thank you, Zane. This was yesterday, MCR on my iPhone, Bitcoin, Ethereum, MCRT pumping yesterday as well. These guys winning 1000 MCRT each during gameplay. A lot of things happening in the crypto market, a lot of negativity in the crypto market. That's a good thing. It means capitulation. It means this is the time where you can actually make money in the markets. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. I do think we're going to have a crypto and stock run up going into Christmas. I hope you wish you and family an amazing Christmas holidays. Enjoy it. Enjoy your life. Enjoy every day. You're not guaranteed tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Have an amazing day. And I'll see you all again tomorrow.